else except for Imperial.
All right, Ouroboros gamers, Chris here for the 8th edition drop celebration event down at Jupiter Games. Here we have, back for more, Christian. Christian has declared a rematch against 1,000 Suns. Christian, go ahead and go through your army real quick. Start over here.
This will take a while. So I have a Punisher Gatling cannon tank,
Okay.
which is really hungry. With pink squad in front of them. We go over here, we got red squad. Vindicator is hiding back here. We have a regular battle cannon, blue squad. Baneblade. Not using the Stormlord this time.
What variant is it? Just the regular Baneblade?
Regular Baneblade.
Okay.
We got bronze squad with the Commissar in them. Vanquisher battle cannon. Black squad. Sergeant Fubar, because he survived last time. We got green squad, and then we have the command squad sitting nicely on top of this objective.
And a Basilisk!
A buddy sent that to me for my birthday.
Happy birthday? Question mark?
It was last week.
Oh, happy birthday! All right, 1,000 Suns, really simple elite list right now. Squad Ouroboros and a Rhino. Squad Ouroboros and a Rhino. Both squads have 3 Warp Flamers and a Soul Reaper cannon. In the Land Raider, we have Scarab Occult Terminators with the Exalted Sorcerer. We'll get to his powers when we get to him. Same across the board. So we have Deadlock Scenario. We got 6 objectives. We got 5 here. We've got 1 here, 4 there. We got that one being held. Number 2. There's number 6 and number 3. All right, Christian rolled. He didn't seize the initiative, so 1,000 Suns, turn 1. All right, here we go. 1,000 Suns shooting phase. Everything's in vehicles, so nothing to do with Psyche phase. First shot of the game, my Land Raider into the Baneblade, hitting on 4s. 2 hits. Toughness, what for the Baneblade?
Don't know, it's 8th edition, someone get me a book.
All right, 1 second, we'll be right back.
Ouch.
All right, Baneblade, toughness 8. We are wounding on 3s. 1 wound, -4 to your save. Baneblade has a what for a save?
3 up save, sir.
Oh, so D6 wounds. 6 wounds off the Baneblade.
So it was
Goes from 26 to 20.
20 wounds, okay.
D20?
Yes.
You have solved your problem.
All right. That's still better than I thought it would be.
Oh, dude. It's a Baneblade.
It's supposed to take stuff like that.
So just count up with a D6 for now.
Right, I'll just...
Or if you have a D20 like he said. All right.
I'm just going to have dice sit next to it so we know.
Moving on. While you do that. Rhino over here is going to shoot your Basilisk. D6 shots with a Havoc Launcher. 5. Hitting on 3s. Wounding on 5s.
Top 6, sir.
No wounds.
Yay!
All right.
I think that's it.
You know what? Heavy bolter from the Land Raider.
You have so many options.
Yeah, seriously. I mean, are they just generic platoons? Do you have a veteran squad or
No, it's all guardsmen.
all guardsmen?
Yeah.
Where's your Punisher? Never mind. I'll shoot that one with the Land Raider. Heavy bolter. All hit. 1 wound, -1 to your save, so 4 up.
Nope.
1 wound.
So it's
Just put 1. We'll look it up. All right, Christian, it is now your turn. I got objective 5 and objective 4 because wobbly model.
all right.
Go ahead and roll me 2 D6s to say which one's a 10 or not, and we'll come back. All right, Christian has moved everything forward. Unit went into a bunker, which is cool. We're testing the building rules out, and everything has moved forward. All right, what are you shooting with first, Christian?
All right, Basilisk is shooting at that.
The Rhino didn't do anything.
It's there.
It very well might not do anything at all. It could just been a very expensive box.
It might as well be a tinfoil road.
Seriously.
Earth-shaped cannon. All right, first thing we're doing is a heavy D6 roll. So you want 1d6 to find out how many shots you take. You're going to take 5 shots at it. It currently is not wounded, so it has ballistic skill of 4+.
And it didn't move, which is a thing for heavy stuff now.
So it's stayed at 4+. You also did your orders to give it
+1. Yep.
So go ahead.
Wow, that's nice.
These don't. Okay.
We are looking at a strength 9 hit against the rhino, which is
8. So you need 3s to wound.
3s to wounds. Come on.
All right, 3 wounds. What's the AP value?
actually. Hang on one brief moment. Get out another. Get a single die out and roll it here because I screwed something up here because I don't play cards. Doesn't matter. Earthshaker Cannon's special ability is roll 2 dice for the number of attacks when firing it and discard the lowest.
Okay.
You
that's really nice.
5, so it didn't do anything different.
That's mean. I like this guy.
What's the Ren value? 2? All right. 5 up save on the Rhino. I make 1. 2 go through.
Ouch.
The 2, these are D3 damage each.
So I roll 2d dice.
2, yep, roll 2 dice. You're looking at D3s here. First one's a 2. Second one's a 2. 4 wounds going through.
How many wounds does that thing have?
10.
Ouch.
That hurts.
Had 10.
Add 10.
Had 10.
That freaking hurt.
You pulled the trigger once, 40% of its wounds are left. That's what you call a good weapon.
I like the basilisk. Man,
Continue.
basilisk is good now. Oh, right.
All right, next
It's
unit.
wounded, bring it down!
Officer of the fleet is using his global bombardment on that.
The Land Raider.
Mortar's also shooting at it, I guess.
Okay.
So he's looking up the
Master of Ordnance by chance?
Yes.
coordinates. Sorry, not officer.
That's alright. Artillery barrage. Alright, this is a range 100 heavy D6.
I think you got range.
The weapon can only be fired once per battle and cannot be used if the
Roll a
battle
D6.
moves.
Roll a d6.
You did not move it yet.
No, he stayed where he was.
And we're good.
Roll a D6 for the shots.
2 shots.
2.
This is a
Now, so minimum you get 3 command points. You can, at any point, once per your turn, you can re-roll a single dice. This might be important enough for you to re-roll that too to try to get more shots.
I think I'll do that.
Okay?
Alright.
1 command point down.
Nope.
No change.
It was destined.
Destined 2 shots.
You are looking at his ballistic skill is a 3+.
Nice.
You know, he knows what he's doing.
Nice.
2 hits.
All right, 2 hits.
Okay. This is a strength 8 weapon to a toughness 8 model.
I believe so.
That's 4.
You're looking at 4s.
So 2.
No, it's no 2. The only time you get 2s now is if you're double tough or double weak.
Oh, sorry, that's not one.
So 3s.
Yep. So you're looking for 4+. Hit
2 wounds. All right, what's the rend?
-2 on the armor value.
All right, so 4 up save. Good.
Wow, that sucked.
Well, yeah.
That's right. That Land Raider just took an orbital bombardment.
It was worth it.
Yep.
Alright.
Yeah, you could have done a lot of wounds if I had failed my saves.
That totally could have just much up. Okay, this marksman squad is going to be shooting at that rhino.
Okay.
I know it's kind of meh, but oh well.
Dude, everything can hurt everything now, so.
So that is 9 shots.
9 shots? Okay. Wait, didn't you first rank, second rank?
No.
He wanted to, but the range is now different.
Gotcha.
That's so gross. Alright, so 9 shots on the rhino.
Rhino, alright.
You are a what with them infantry. You are hitting on 4s. Yes, sir.
Ooh. That was not good.
No, that was awful. 2 hits.
Wounding on 6s.
I'm pretty sure.
No wounds. It was worth it.
Alright, next.
Next would be him with the multi-laser. So read that.
Okay, go ahead.
So that would be...
Conscript. Scout Sentinel.
Yep.
Multi-laser is a heavy 3.
Okay.
So it fires 3 shots. You're hitting on 4 still. 1 hit.
Ooh.
You are strength 6. So
5s.
You are looking at 5 instead of a 6. Slightly better.
Nope.
That is not going to help you.
All right, so now this squad is firing.
Okay.
So 8 shots and a grenade launcher.
Into the Land Raider.
Yep, into the Land Raider.
Okay.
6, 7, 8 las guns. Hitting on 4.
Can I hold you up just a brief minute?
Yes.
Your squad, they are regular infantry?
Yes.
You may need a moment.
All right. 8 las guns.
Hitting on 4s. Wow, that is, well, 4 hits.
I mean, it's not bad. That's statistical.
Wounding on 6s.
Yep. 1.
What would you say? What would you call it?
Yeah, go ahead. Reroll.
2.
All right. 2 up save. Good.
All right, now the grenade launcher.
Okay.
Shoot.
D3 shots, I believe.
I think so. Using crack grenades, obviously. It's a very shooting army.
Mechanicus.
Guard is very guard right now.
Serum.
I'm so happy this did what it did.
Grenadier grenade launcher. Crack grenade.
Yep.
Assault 1, sir.
1 shot.
1 shot.
1 shot. Still the same ballistic skill.
All right. 4 to hit.
That's to be a hit. Alright, your crack grenade from the grenade launcher is a strength 6. So
5s.
you're looking at 5.
5 to 1.
Nope. Almost was.
Dang, it would have been like. All
All
right.
right. Time for the big bad, I think. Oh, no. Okay.
Firing his Vanquisher battle cannon and his heavy bolter.
Is he a demolisher?
Vanquisher.
Vanquisher.
So it's a battle. He uses the battle tank and the Vanquisher. Then it will be Big Boy's turn.
That's what I'm scared about.
I know, 'cause it has so many guns.
You dead. Numerous battle tank.
Anonymous person speaking into the barrel.
Vanquisher battle cannon. 72-inch range, so we're not going to count. Heavy 1. You're looking at unwounded. You have ballistic skill 4+.
It has 1 wound.
Okay.
That's not enough to bring it down to the next.
Really? Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Oh. Yes. No, you're fine.
All right.
7 to 12 is your
So
battle
4
cannon.
up to hit. That's a hit.
You're hitting really well.
Strength 8.
Strength 8.
So 4s.
4s to wound.
Ooh, we got a wound. Ren.
Okay, neck 3.
All right, so 5 up save.
No!
Failed.
Hey, this is where it hurts. Roll 2d6.
Oh no.
All right, and discard the 4. Discard the 4. Roll 2 dice when inflicting damage, and discard the lowest result. That is 6 damage.
So 6 wounds.
I'll count up for now.
That.
That's called a nice hit.
It's called armor beating.
What else you got? Heavy bolter?
Yeah, heavy bolter, so
Heavy 3, strength 5. 4 up to hit still.
1 hit.
Strength 5, you're looking at
6s.
6.
No, he's
Toughest 10 or toughest 8?
You're tough to say.
Oh, 5s.
Don't make it any harder on him.
Cocked. 2.
Nope.
So nothing. All right. Now it's time for the big boy.
Da, da, da.
So I'm going to fire all 3 of its heavy bolters first.
Okay.
So that is 9 shots hitting on 4s.
Wounding on 5s.
Hitting on 4s. That totally killed one of my guards.
Things happen.
Wow.
Not bad, not bad.
6 hits. And wounding on 5s.
Yep.
Nothing.
Oh,
But
1.
wound.
All right, 2 up. Good.
Good. Okay. Now both its las cannons will shoot into it. Because so it's 2 shots hitting on 4s.
You have 2 last cannons, right?
Yep.
Miss.
Miss. All right. Auto cannon. That's
2.
1 hit.
Strength 7, so you still need a 5 here.
Wounding on 5. Wounds.
Cannons, neg 1.
Oh, goes through. That's 2 damage.
Use flat 2.
That's more like it.
So is this count as a super heavy?
No.
Oh, okay.
They just have a lot of wounds. Like a regular rhino has 8. This has, I believe, 20. So,
Oh, right. So now we're going to use the Baneblade cannon.
all right.
Okay, this is dirty. So Baneblade cannon, range 72, obviously in range. Heavy 2d6.
Gosh.
How do you feel about your life choices right now?
I thank my buddy for giving this to me for my birthday.
That's a good friend.
I know. Well, it's 2 friends who bought it for me, but yeah, okay.
4.
Okay, 4. I'm 4 hits.
You can't do it again. It's
can't
once
do it.
per,
One per turn? Okay. Oh, well, it doesn't matter. So 4 hits,
or 4 shots.
4 shots. All right, so now
4s.
3 hit.
3 hits.
All right, now you are over him in strength because this is strength 9 to toughness 8.
3s.
So you're looking at 3s to insert. Don't worry, it gets worse for him.
Maybe.
1 will.
1.
No, if you mooch through the rolls there. Like 3.
Neg 3. Oh my
Like
god.
3.
That went through.
No. Or yeah, I went through.
Flat 3 damage.
Oh, my God. That's not even like the big gun. That's the second to biggest gun.
So I'm taking it that we're firing a demolisher cannon next.
The Demolisher cannon.
Okay. Well within the 24 range. This is heavy D3, so roll a D3 to get your number of shots.
Land Raider might die this turn here.
Full 3 shots.
How many wounds do you have left?
9.
Alright, so 3 shots hitting on 4s. 3 hits.
Nice.
Alright, this is strength 10, so you're looking at 3s again.
1 wound.
Neg.
Neg 3.
Made my save.
You are a lucky man.
Seriously.
There's still all this like shooting at it though.
Go ahead. Let's keep it rolling.
Alright, my Vindigar cannot see it. So, you're lucky. Because that's nasty. Alright. So, this is 10 shots.
Go ahead.
10 last shots. 5, 6, 10. Hitting on 4s. Wow, really unstatistic rolls here. That's only 3 hits.
That's 4 hits still.
That's 4 hits.
4 hits.
But still.
That's only a little bit below average.
Alright, so 6s to wounds.
Yep. Nothing. All right, just do the next squad. Get rid of all the infantry.
Do all the las guns.
Okay, so that would be another 8. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 las guns. 4s. So that is
Not bad.
7 hits.
And 6s.
6s. Nothing.
Nothing. Okay. Now the battle cannon.
Battle cannon will fire. Battle cannon.
Battle cannon.
D3 shots.
D3 shots.
That's what you were just doing.
Battle cannon is D6 shots.
Oh, 5 shots.
5 shots. You're looking at strength 8 when you're wounded here. Yes.
And on 4s.
4s to hit.
3 hits.
4s to wound.
It's 2 wounds.
Okay, another 2 to the save.
Both go through.
Okay, battle cannon is D3 on each of them. So.
6.
Oh, very nice. Maximum damage.
Down to 3.
I'm sorry.
Don't be.
sorry.
Yeah, for real.
Win.
All right.
Sorry you're winning? Like,
What's the range on the Punisher? It might be out of range. It is exactly 2 feet away.
Punisher Gatling cannon, I'm assuming? 24 inches, sir.
It is that is exactly 24 inches.
yep.
Okay,
It's a heavy 20, isn't it?
if you'd like some more dice. Yes, it is.
Nothing. Just random. What's in the other pocket?
MP3 player. Headphones.
19, 20.
Heavy 20. Hitting on 4s.
Strength.
Only 5, so he'll be wounding, hitting on 4s, going to 5s to wound.
It's a little gun, 20 shots. Oh, there's one.
Drop dice, no count, reroll.
Okay. It doesn't matter. Okay. So, wow, that was a lot of pace.
That wasn't really a good roll.
That was a horrid roll.
Looking for 5s.
Okay.
You got 1. The Gatling cannon has no modifier.
2 up. Good.
Oh, dang. So,
I believe that's everything.
how about the last cannon on this thing?
Go ahead.
It's, so, is it like step fire and stuff? This is a heavy weapon.
No, it doesn't matter. 1 shot. I'm hitting on 4.
Okay.
Wounded on 3s. All right. That's neg 4. So 6 up. Neg 3. Doesn't matter. All right. Roll 3 or above, and you destroy the Land Raider. Oh! 1 wound.
Damn. The heavy bolters.
Fire, men, fire.
Everything into the...
Wound counter.
Just keep firing.
6.
You don't need to get that lucky, man.
That is 6 shots hitting on 3s. 4s. Hitting on 4s. 3 hits.
Oh, come on. Zange protects.
You are looking for 5s.
Wounding on 5s. 1.
Oh, this might be it. 2 up. Oh.
Dang.
Oh.
I'm trying to think if I have anything.
I hate to suggest this, but the heavy bolters are neg 1 AP. I don't mean to correct you on that, but that's.
Oh my God! I rolled a 3.
Wow.
All right. So on a 6, it blows up. It does not.
So
So
it is wrecked.
it is wrecked.
Wow.
So far, 1 model in the unit recovers a wound.
All right, shooting phase going very well so far. 1,000 Suns have moved forward. The Land Raider got destroyed. Warp time was cast on the Rhino. It moved forward. The Terminators have shot, took 1 wound off of the Baneblade. Other than that, a couple of guys died there. And we're in the shooting phase over here, attempting to thin out these numbers.
6 is here first.
No.
It's nothing. Alright, so you got 2, you got a distributed into the unit.
He's useless and he's useless. So, Master of Ordnance, Officer of the Fleet.
All right.
They really couldn't do anything because the Officer of the Fleet was out.
Is there any wounds on the Basilisk over there?
No.
No? All right.
Other than the drop wound.
Yeah, you dropped it.
All right. Soul Reaper Cannon into your command squad.
2 hits.
And 2 wounds. Ren 3.
Alright, so 6s to save.
My character on the board.
Nothing?
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm going to allocate 2 more.
2 guys die.
Actually, I'm going to allocate 1 of the wounds to my commander and the other one to my loyalty.
No, you can't do that. You have to allocate to 1 model and kill the model and then move on.
Okay. I don't want to put both on my commander. He can take it, but I don't want to. So I think the mortar will take it.
All right, it dies. All right, then doing the flamers. I had 3 flamers in the squad. They're going after the infantry squad. 9 shots. Especially mine. What's your toughness?
This is 3.
3? Okay. 6 wounds, Ren 2.
6 wounds, Ren 2, so I'm looking for
That's 6 dead guys.
6 dead guys, he's dead automatically.
Yeah, unless you're really, really cool with rolling 7s on a d6. I'm not that good.
All right.
You could. I mean, if you want to try it.
All right. 3 guys will shoot into the command squad. 2 hits. 2 wounds, Ren 1.
Mission for 6s again.
So 5s.
Yep.
1 dies.
Yeah, so looks like the banner sergeant.
All right, it's whoever you want to be. Again, you got to throw 7th edition out of your head. This new edition, you pick whoever you want.
He's also useless.
Gotcha.
He didn't do
All right.
anything useful. He can go.
All right, my last 4 shots are going to go from into the basilisk. All of them hit. Wounding on 6s. Nothing.
Yeah, that happens. So far, that's the only day that's died, but I think a lot more is going to die over there.
All right,
You're going to continue having problems here.
my scarabs are declaring multi-charge.
Alright, Overwatch.
Actually, no, they're not multi-charging. They're charging the infantry squad.
Alright, so that will be 10 Overwatch shots. So 10 hitting on 6s.
Power 2 rapid fire.
Oh, I did. So 20 shots hitting on 6s.
What's the rapid fire number? 1. Okay.
He goes to rapid fire 2 if he issues an order successfully for a first or second roll.
But I can't. I have no command units over here, so okay,
That's
20
alright.
shots hitting on 6s.
Not bad, not bad.
Where's the 5th one?
You all of 5 of the 6 that you moved.
Shoot, that is better than
That's
That's pretty good. Hey, if you want, just leave them on the table.
All right, so 5 hits.
Wounding on 5s. Nothing. All right. Charge. Definitely in.
Lots of bullets. Holes. Lots of bullets.
And I will also pile in to lock the Bane Blade.
So what's the rules with shooting at units in melee combat?
When you're in melee, only pistols can be fired. Since I'm piling in, you can't fire that next turn unless you break away.
He can't fire what?
The Bane Blade now can't fire because I piled in.
That is slightly incorrect, like in the very.
If he piles out of it, yeah.
Well,
But then he moved it and he gets a -1.
well, he's also got the ability to fire some of the Baneblade guns into hand-to-hand.
Oh, never mind.
It's a super hit. It can just do that.
And then also the Rubrique will declare charge on those guys.
All right, so 8 shots. 8 shots. 6s. 2.
Ooh, not bad.
Okay.
Looking for 5s.
Yep. 5s to wounds. Nothing.
Charge. Yeah, I should give me
6
there.
inches. They make it.
Yeah.
All right. It didn't advance. My Rhino is declaring charge on the infantry squad.
Okay. So that will be.
Let me double check that I can get there.
Yeah,
Go ahead.
I need to see if they're in rapid fire.
Yep.
12, so yeah, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, so 16. Shots at a grenade launcher can also. 16 hitting on 6s.
1.
This perhaps will be the time you actually wound with your own shot.
Right, 5.
Yep.
6s.
6.
Oh, yeah.
All right. Our grenade launcher. Yeah.
It's an assault 1.
No, it's gonna want assault 1. It hits, right?
It knows what
Nope, doesn't make it.
Doesn't make it.
All right. So pile into there to attempt to lock the Bane Blade. And then starting with the Scarabs. They are 2 attacks each. Hitting on 3s.
Oh my god.
Wounding on 3s. 4 wounds.
Okay.
Misses.
So,
Ren 3, 1 damage.
ow. Okay, so
4 guys die.
4 guys die.
Yep.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Alright, and then the Aspiring Sorcerer hits 2 wounds. Ren 1.
Red 1. So
6 is
6. So
Excuse me, sir, this is the Sigmar.
nothing.
2 guys die.
Well, there's only one in. Only one they can hit, or is it
No, you.
2
Yeah.
anyway? Yep. Son of a gun.
Yeah, it would have been anybody that was within 1 inch of an engaged model. Hand to hand still does that.
Awful.
Alright, then my Sorcerer will pile in. And do his attacks. 3 hits. 2 wounds.
On my sergeant.
Ren 1.
Get to fight back?
Ren 1.
I don't get to fight back?
No.
Dang it.
Could roll some boxcars here.
No.
Well, you don't.
Sergeant.
2 die.
2 more die.
Alright, and then I will go over to here.
They did what they're supposed to. Oh no! Die in front of the tanks. So now I can just run that way.
We'll figure out exactly how that works.
3 armor saves over there.
Okay, 3.
This is just regular. So you give me 5 ups.
Nothing. 3 more dead. There's 1 left.
On the upside, he is holding his ground for this moment until we get to the
Champion.
What?
Oh, hey, there's a champion. I was wrong.
Yeah, he's dead.
He's dead.
Yeah, he's
Or,
well,
what's it say?
it's 5 ups.
Yeah, okay, yeah, he's dead.
5 up. So
No, the champion has a Ren 1, so 6 ups.
6 up. The box cards.
no.
No, you say
Just barely.
Dang, that was. If he had done that, he would have gotten a name.
well, he would have also died before.
Shush.
I'm just saying.
He ran to fight another day. That's why he got promoted. Alright, we'll be back. Alright, we are in Christian shooting phase. Everything is disengaged, and first shot from the Basilisk into the Rubrique. That's a lot of hits.
4 hits. You are toughness 4.
Yeah.
Okay, you're looking at 2s. This is
Choose to wound.
straight done, so you more than double him out.
All wounds.
Okay,
Alright,
this
4
is a
wounds.
negative 2, so
Invuln save of 4.
that is
2 die.
very.
They're super
Do
dead.
they have more than 1 wound?
No.
All right, they are.
They have just
Ultra squishy.
pink mist.
Okay.
Not dust.
You got any other bullet throwers?
Him, well, he has a heavy bolter. Yeah.
Well then.
3 shots from the heavy bolter. 4s to hit.
What's happening?
Heavy bolter.
Okay.
Heavy
2
bolter.
hits.
Heavy bolter strength 5 to 4, so you're looking for 3s. 1 wound.
Alright, I have a 2-up save because Heavy Bolter is 1 damage. Good.
Yep.
Alright, he will fire his last pistol. I'm trying.
Go ahead.
Oh man, I just
I love that last defiance.
that's
Not a hit.
what it's like.
That's plus 6. Company commander.
Company commander, tank commander, company commander. I am incorrect. You do have ballistic skill 3.
So he hits.
It is a hit. You are
5.
looking for a 5. It's a good attack.
Alright. 3 from the multi-laser.
Okay, go ahead.
Sneak around that corner and shoot him.
Okay.
Alright, strength 6.
3s.
You're looking for 3s. 1 wound.
2 up. Good.
Dang it.
Yep.
Infantry squad.
Alright, this infantry squad will fire 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times 2 is a lot. Actually, before that happens, Vindicate will shoot at your aspiring
Exalted Sorcerer.
Salted Sorcerer with his Exodus pistol.
Are you 12 inches away?
His Exodus pistol.
Yes.
Exodus pistol is 12 inches.
So that's 2 shots. Is it
Remember.
2 shots hitting the bone. Pistol roll. Oh, sorry. Okay. No. So okay. Exodus rifle.
Exodus rifle is a heavy one. No, this is what we have.
You're good, dude. You're good.
All right,
You're fine.
So 2 to hit. What's the wound?
You are strength 5 with the Exodus rifle. He's toughness 4, so you're looking for 3s.
3 to wound.
Nope.
That sucks.
All right, infantry squad, 20 shots.
This one up here, we'll fire first.
Just roll them all together if you want.
Alright, so I'll roll all the las guns, then all the. Yeah,
So 30 shots.
Wait, hang on. You rolled a wound with him. You did not roll a 1. You have flesh bane on this one.
oh, so he rerolls.
No, flesh bane. You roll wound on 2+.
Oh,
This weapon wounds infantry on 2+.
Friend.
Neg 3, no invul.
5 up. Good.
oh, you bastard.
Yep, vulnerable saves cannot be taken against a wound inflicted by this weapon. This weapon wounds infantry on 2+. No, we actually, according to him, there's no Titanic in the rulebook.
Well, it's not in the index, but I haven't been able to find it in the rulebook. But there's a lot. This is a pretty pathetic index. Like
Yeah, right?
I mean, the term vehicle is not even in here.
You see, this is the reason why I've got to buy the damn thing when I have a moment. Because then I can go, hey, look, find Titanic. Gadoosh.
Right.
Alright,
There's just, like, they don't have anything that like, describes any of the keywords.
Both squads?
That was the thing that's all about.
Okay.
They're outside.
I'm very, very itchy about this edition.
Alright.
Because of this stuff.
20
I
shots
feel like
into
it was,
the.
it was a little
Okay.
more rushed than I would have liked it
Those
to.
are 4s to hit.
Not bad.
I mean, it looks good, but the support's feeling a little...
Oh, come on. Okay, so that's all misses. So these are, so it's a 5 to will.
Yep. Five. Or 4. 2 up. Good.
Then I'll make it. Alright, grenade launcher with a frag grenade.
D6 shots.
D6 shots on the frag grenade, I'm almost positive of.
Yeah, it is.
4.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4. What is that wounding on?
4s.
4s. There's 2 wounds.
All right, 2 up. Good.
Dang it. There's the melt is out of range, I'm guessing, still.
Measure the 12 inches. Yeah, just out.
Dang it. Alright, Commissar with his bolt piss, that's out of range as well.
Yep.
Alright. Nothing happened.
Basilisks.
Just as an aside here, your frag grenade is only strength 3, so it was actually looking for 5 strength.
Ah, well, nothing happened, so my
Didn't
bad.
have it anyway, so okay.
Just making sure.
Alright. If I kill these, I'll be happy.
It's gonna take a bit, no lie, though.
I know. Alright, so. I don't know if I want to shoot this at them or that. Because I think it would do more damage to that release.
Well, I'm going to tell you this much. That's got 10 wounds at toughness 6. That's got less than 10 wounds, I'm going to guess.
No, it has more than 10 wounds.
More than 10 wounds? Oh,
Terminators are
that's
2
right.
wounds now.
These are now really beefy. I'm still getting there.
Yeah.
There's 14 wounds there, 10 wounds in the rhino.
I mean, you got a better chance of wounding them, you've got a better chance of pointing that out.
Alright, so I'm going to shoot a Vanquisher at them. That is, how many hits? Oh, I know it's a bit.
It is... Deathstrike, Manicore, Vanquisher, Vanquisher Battle Cannon. Heavy 1.
Okay, so 1 shot.
Yep, 1 shot.
Miss. Heavy bolter from it.
Yep, you can fire the heavy bolter. Those are still heavy 3s.
Cock joke.
Doesn't matter. Still a hit.
1 hit.
You keep doing that. Every cock roll, closest number, is what you re-roll.
Alright.
Good stuff.
4.
Ladies and gentlemen, is that a wound?
That is a wound.
Got it.
All right. Flamer.
D6.
D6.
What's the other bad for
4.
Wounding on 5s.
What is this?
Or no, 4s.
1 wound.
Good.
Dang it. Okay, so I'll use all the las guns from that now. Or in representation. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16.
No, 17. Because the last pistol's only 1.
Alright, 17 shots. Thank you. Hey.
I hadn't noticed that yet until you pointed to them. I'm like, wait, he has a pistol.
19, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 shots into the Rubriques, hitting on 4s. That was actually not bad. Not bad. Wounding on
We'll be right back, Ouroboros gamers.
the battle cannon. And there's a last cannon as well.
No!
Battle cannon is a heavy D6.
Roll me a 1. Be a friend.
6.
No!
All right, come on. Oh.
6 hits. Wounding on what?
You roll, well,
Oh, you got to
how
hit
about
first.
you roll your hits? You got your shots.
Alright.
All right. So
2 hit.
You got 2 hits.
Alright.
Well,
Whatever.
you know, now you're wounding on 2s. They are toughness 4 majority.
They're all toughest 4.
Wounds.
Ran 3.
Battle cannon is red 2.
2. Not 4 up either way.
Dead.
Both go through. Wait, how much damage is it? Roll. Yeah, 2 dead.
6 damage.
So that's 2 guys very dead. How do I keep doing that? When you get through, you kill. Now, that's what it's
Your faith in the Emperor is being rewarded.
Las cannon.
The Emperor protects the virtuous.
The Emperor protects. Having a loaded las gun doesn't hurt either.
Well, really, the line is bolter, but I'll let you have it.
Push. I'm guard. Alright.
Gar can have bolters.
Las cannon.
Two.
Wounds.
That is -3. This is gonna suck a bit.
Yeah, I grabbed wrong. Dang it. Gotcha!
Okay. Heavy bolters.
Eh.
Oh, black.
I haven't fired any of this yet.
Well, we'll get you
Crap.
there.
Alright. 6 heavy bolters. Hitting on 4s. 4 hits. Wounding on 3s.
Although an interesting thing, you are a heavy bolter. They're strength 5. They're toughness 4.
Okay.
Flying.
Wounding on
They
3s.
suffer instinctive behavior,
2 wounds.
and if they're far enough away, they're forced to go towards the closest enemy. So if they're near a board edge and you have a unit close to the board edge, they have to face it and fly off the board, destroying it.
Alright. 2 wounds.
What's firing at me?
Heavy bolters.
Okay.
Hit.
So 3 ups.
2 more wounds.
Command point. No. 2 wounds.
2 wounds.
2 wounds.
Or you can put it on
Put it
character.
on your skill.
I have to put it on my character because he's not part of the squad.
Oh, he's not?
Oh.
How many wounds does he have?
3 left.
Alright,
Yeah, that's the new rules now.
No, actually, I was going to put forward. Wasn't he the closest when he did the 6 wounds already?
No, there was guys equidistant.
Okay. That's why I'm like, wait.
Vanquisher. Or no, Punisher. Into them. So that is 20 shots.
20 shots. Now, the Punisher did not have to move in order to get this damage, so you're still hitting on 4s.
10.
I can give Dread Knight's Gate of Infinity.
8. 10. 20 shots into these scarabs.
Okay.
Hitting on 4s. Really unfortunate.
Sad rolling, sir.
You start bringing psychers so you can do +1 to hit.
All right, so
7. You're a little under your average.
all right, so
Threes.
If you are looking for threes,
Threes.
is that heavy 20?
Strength 5, you said earlier.
Strength 5. Yep.
so 3s to wounds.
Yep. His level's 12.
That is 5 wounds.
2 up. Oh!
2 wounds.
It's going to eat somebody.
Either put him down to 1 or one of these dies.
Yeah, but, well, because they're equidistant, I can. Yeah, that terrifies me. So,
Oh, yeah.
dude or dies.
All right, now all 3 heavy bolters in.
So you'll get 9 more shots of some hopeful, interesting brutality.
9 shots hitting on
4s.
5 hits. Hitting on 5s.
No, 3s.
And 3s. Okay. 4 wounds.
Good.
You're fine.
It's 1 damage. I get +1.
You get a +1?
Yeah. Always does special roll for Thousand Suns.
Yes.
If the damage characteristic is 1.
Yes, we had this conversation last week.
Bane Blade.
All right, here we go.
Will fire its 3 heavy bolters. Wait, are these twin linked?
There's no such thing as twin linked
Doesn't
anymore.
exist anymore?
Okay. No, twin linked is gone because the word linked is gone.
Oh.
You now have twin heavy bolters on occasion.
Oh.
Twin heavy bolters fire as though they were 2 separate heavy bolters.
Wish I had known that earlier.
Yes, you've robbed yourself.
Yeah, you're robbing yourself of 9 shots.
A turn.
18 shots into the case. Rogue Trader. You can't proclaim that.
I have the rules for Rogue Trader.
You have no authority over me.
Made the invulns.
Son of a gun. Alright, autocannon.
You want a complicated set of rules? That's where you go to Rogue Trader.
Nothing.
Literally every member of your squad was armed differently. There was no
Bane
such
blade
thing
shots.
as a standard squad.
Bane blade shot.
Okay, Bane Blade cannon.
That was back when shotguns had knockback. The people got jet bikes.
Bane Blade cannon is heavy whatever.
That's a fine question.
Excuse my language. I tripped over the chair. We'll add a beep on the YouTube video.
Bane Blade Cannon is a heavy
Nice.
2d6.
How's it going? What's on there except for that one squad? That's all I
Yeah,
do.
that's why I'm like...
2d6 shots.
Do something it does.
No, keywords are just for when you're
7
building your
shots.
list and
Okay.
stuff like that. So other Titanics can go with other Titanics. There's no rules that go with.
So it's just a keyword for things that affect anything that affects Titanic.
Okay,
So you got the faction keywords and then the Q.
Hitting on 5s.
What type?
5s.
3
Okay.
hits.
3 hits.
You're wounding on 2s with this, as it is strength 9, 3-3. 2 wounds.
Rend.
3.
3?
3.
Alright, 4 up invuln. Command point. Good.
Son of a gun.
Oh, that's not on him. That's on him.
The evil cannon.
Demolition Cannon, heavy D3.
Alright.
I can survive.
2.
2 hits.
As long as I worship Zane.
2 shots. Alright, sorry.
1 hit. You are wounding on a 2.
Oh.
That's nothing.
Still made my save though.
Still made your save. Alright. Assault phase. I am gonna run you over now.
Alright. Soul cannon.
He's overwatching.
Nope.
Nothing.
Exalted. Nope. And aspiring sorcerer. Nope.
Nothing.
Okay.
Alright, so now I roll my 2 to see if
2d6.
Yeah, you get there.
Should be more than sufficient to make base. If you want to, bear in mind, your leader Russ guys hit on 6s, and they're strength 7. So you could also
Charge one of them in as well.
you can make base to base.
I can do that with this. Oh, 3 actions. Oh, no.
Okay, you can't. I don't believe you can run over your own troops.
You can't.
So
Only that one can.
that one could. This one would have to take a very ugly road to get in.
That's not going to work.
So no. He's already Overwatch, so you might as well.
Oh, and now that I'm locked, I can't Overwatch anyway. No.
4 inches is
Oh, well.
All right, you activate first.
So yeah, this hits.
Do you want to charge anybody else? Get it all out the way
Red
now.
squad will also charge in.
As many things as you can put in there is more dice to throw.
8, they make it in.
Make sure you measure it so you get the.
Oh, yeah. That is everyone.
What I'm saying is you could pile a certain way to help out.
Okay, yeah.
It's not just about getting there now. It's also about the number of people you can get into base to base and.
Yep. You've got to try to get as many people into base to base.
Well, measure it, man.
Because
you can get most of those guys in.
That's what. Yeah, that's the whole point.
Can I hold you up just a second?
Yes.
The character is not an insane unit because characters don't join units.
Okay.
This would be the reason why you're wanting to try to make sure that you get as many people in with the character and then spill over into the unit if you want to spill into the unit. Otherwise, you're trying to get as many people onto the character to try and bring them back.
I was going to have this and this into the character.
There's no such thing as overkill, though.
Make it so, yeah.
That's just why I'm trying to make sure here, because unless, of course, again, back to unless I'm wrong, because
You're never wrong.
it's a brand new edition day 1, man.
All right.
I could be very wrong about it.
Black squad is going to charge in.
Okay. Nope.
Not.
All right. So how many attacks does this get?
9.
9, hitting on 6s.
5s.
Oh, 5s.
It's a Bane Blade. It's got a wider track.
9.
The Lehman Russes hit on 6s. The Bane Blade hits on 5s.
All right, 5. 5 attacks.
It's also brutal if it runs anybody over.
1, 2, 3.
Yep. 3 hits, strength 9. Wounds on 2 ups.
Those are 3 wounds.
Unfortunately, it doesn't have a negative modifier at all.
Good.
He makes everything. All right, so now it is. You said it can.
Yes, it can fire if you leave it locked in the hand-to-hand during your shooting phase.
Okay. All right, so now these guys attack, and so that is.
That's a whole.
That's per the unit, though. So.
Yep, that's a regular unit of infantry.
Yeah,
So you can do max 4 attacks into my sorcerer, and then pile your guys in over here to go for the scarabs.
Do you have a sergeant?
Yes.
He's right in base-to-base contact.
The sergeant is in there, so he's got 2 attacks to start. And then however many
Well,
other guys.
Wait, he's got to do his piling first. You get a 3-inch piling.
I can do that again. Oh, shit.
Yes.
That's going.
And then you have to try and get everybody as into base to base and within the 1.
Christian, get in the habit, not trying to yell right here, but get in the habit of using your measuring tape to measure all this. Don't be sorry, I'm letting you know.
Okay.
Because it really matters, because if you can get more guys to attack here, you have the better chance of killing more models.
Okay. He's going to move there. He can move here. And he's going to come in here. Okay. All right.
So 4 into the Exalted Sorcerer, which is 5 attacks.
So hitting on
Good, man.
You are hitting on 4s.
1.
Wounding on 5s.
Oh, hey, hold. Duh. What is your sergeant equipped with?
Chainsaw.
Plus 1 attack.
Get 1 more attack.
Oh.
Chainswords now give you an additional attack.
Okay. No.
Nope.
Okay,
All right,
so
wounding
you
on 5s.
You,
1 hit.
yep. Go for a 5. Come on. Come on.
Nope.
Nothing. All right, so now
All right.
3.
And 3 into the Scarabs.
1.
1.
That is.
Good.
2 to 10.
All right, that's it for you.
That's trippy.
All right, my Exalted Sorcerer. 1 hit. 1 guy dies. And the scarabs.
I want to keep walking around this corner.
Yeah, I know, because you already broke them.
The tank just leapt at me.
Right.
2 wounds on the squad, 2 saves.
We got 2 5-ups. No, 2 were dead.
All right, morale.
So that was -3. So roll 2 dice.
No, 1.
1.
One die.
You're
3,
good.
5, we're good.
Okay. Yours.
That's it. My turn? I haven't lost enough.
I think everyone.
5-man squads, you need to wipe the squad before I take a morale check.
Alright, that is everything.
Yeah, it seems multi-wound things.
All right.
Definitely extremely.
Final score. 8-5 for the guard.
Well, I just mean there's so many like.
Christian, what'd you like about the game?
That's what I mean. Multi-wound things are.
See, this.
Dun, 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 dun.
So
What was your favorite part of the game?
My favorite part? Shoot, it's probably
Because
General Sprague's magnificent
everything with only
sprint.
one wound.
From
He went from
here
all the way over there, all the way over to here.
in 2 turns.
So that was pretty awesome. A very close game.
That's an objective I need.
Over a heavy bolter.
Armor is definitely tough. It was really close right up until the end. He drew the last objective point, which is if your warlord gets to the point, you get D3 extra points, and that's how he pulled ahead. So, and then we rolled for turn 6, and the game is over. So,
Kills infantry.
Christian,
Really well.
awesome game, man. Come and play anytime. We can get some rematches.
Yeah, they're great.
So, yeah, Ouroboros gamers, have a good night
They don't
and
do
enjoy.
a lot against anybody that's got any type of armor at all.